Hi, Blaze from QuickBooks Payroll here. We heard your feedback and made a way so that now all QuickBooks Online Payroll Core, Premium, and Elite customers have one place to see and manage all of their payroll items, including their pay types, payroll deductions, and contributions. To use this new feature, select Payroll and then Employees. And on the Employees page, select Edit Payroll Items. You'll then see all of your payroll items, including your pay types, payroll deductions, and contributions. Select a payroll item to show the list of all the employees assigned to it and key information about it. If you have a lot of employees, use Filter to find exactly who you're looking for. Select Edit to customize the payroll item for the employees. For example, it could be the time to enter raises, so I'll adjust the hourly pay rate for each employee. And there you go. We plan to keep improving this feature based on your feedback, so be sure to click on How Can We Improve to let us know what you like and what we should do next. Thank you, and have a great day.